The Republic attack shuttle. First, I will show you the movable wings it has. You have guns that can go like this to shoot, to shoot, to shoot. It's easily reloadable. All you gotta do, pick up the gun, take out this, put it back in, and then throw it in there. Now, we will go deeper into the ship, and I will show you the middle or end of it. And here we have a mace window and weapon storage. Bombs right here. And that's pretty much it inside. You can just go like this, put the bombs back in, and a bomb comes down like that. And finally, we have the front, which is openable like this. Yeah, third state couple wings, like that. Have it here. These little guns, and you've got another set of them here. And that's it. It's pretty cool. The end of my review of the attack shuttle. Really awesome.